What is going, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Kachimber Vlog. So for today's vlog, we're gonna do chest workout. Ay na, medyo nakakatamad. Chest workout for today. It's a lazy day and it's a lazy weather. So, but we need to work out and we need to go to the gym. And I miss the gym, so let's go. What is going on, guys? What is going on YouTube? So this is my usual chest workout. So we're gonna do some warm ups. Okay. So warm ups is 10 to 12 repetitions, just lightweight. Okay, that depends on you. Some people don't usually do some warm up. So, but for me, I'm doing my first set as warm up. Then the next set will be my working set. Okay, so this is 10 kg. Okay, so just convert in pounds if you are a pound guy. Right. So let's do some warm ups. Not too much. Again, just 10 to 12 just to loosen up the muscles and the joints on your shoulder. Okay, let's go. Okay, one, two, three, four, five. Okay, just lightweight, slowly. Now, if you are a beginner, you can just light it up. Again, okay, the target is just to loosen up your muscle. Now, this is our working set. This is our first set. This will be 20 kg each, 20 kilograms each. Okay. Again, as a beginner, just use some lighter weight if you're just beginner. Okay, I've been working just probably 1 year, so I can able to lift those weights, but some other can lift more than that for a year. So, I'm very weak at this moment. I'm still very weak at this moment. So let's go. Let's try our first set. Again, 10 to 12 repetition. Well, depends on you. Okay, you can work it out probably 8 if it's too heavy. Right? You just listen to your body, okay, every time you are working out. Okay, so let's go. First set. All right. Again, 10 to 12 repetition. Proper form. Chest out. Uh, okay, squeeze your shoulder just a little bit. Then make sure you have a little bit of arch at your back, just to get some force and to add some some power. Just inhale and then do your first lift. Okay. So inhale, lift. Okay, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. That's two. 11. That's one. Okay. All right. Four, five, six, eight. All right. That's so. Our next exercise. This is my usual routine. I usually do incline dumbbell bench press. I have a poor upper chest, so I don't work out flats anymore. Usually incline. Okay, so we're just gonna choose a lighter weight for this one. So let's start with 20 kg, 20 kilogram. Okay, this will be our first set. Okay, all right. I usually have warm ups for this one, but let's let's skip warm ups. Okay, let's do our first set. Okay, it depends on you. Okay, if you're just a beginner, make sure you do your warm ups. Right. So first set again, 10 to 12 or 8. And again, just listen to your body. Okay. All right. Let's go. Okay. Very slowly but surely. It will be also help if you're gonna do muscle and mind connection. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's one. 12. Okay. All right. So that's our first set. You know, I've been doing this routine for quite some time, so I get used to it. So I don't know about you, how you do your bench or your chest workout. You can comment down below, and we're gonna read all of it, and maybe we can get some tips, right? All right, all right. Again, I don't do flats most often. I just do it on the barbell, but on the dumbbells, I usually do incline. And if you might ask why I'm speaking in English, because I want to expand our dominion here in YouTube. Okay, if I will speak in Filipino, only Filipino will will understand the content. All right. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right. Let's go to our second set. Okay. So start going to the gym. All right. If you are thinking this will be your New Year's resolution, I mean you're been saying that for a, for quite for a few years now, and you're not starting. This is the time you start going to the gym. Okay. Don't just say, just do it. All right. So let's go to our second set. So this will be 22 kilograms. I don't know how to convert it in pounds. Again, just convert it in pounds. 22.5 kilograms. All right. Okay. 10 to 12 repetition. And by the way, if you're a beginner, okay, don't mind this weight because I just start with, I think it's just 5 kilograms or 2.5 kilograms. So not everyone started with a heavy weight, okay? Everyone always start with a smaller one, even those Mr. Olympias. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 11. Last one. You can still do it. Oh, okay. So there you go. Let's go, guys. This will be our third exercise. This will be the incline dumbbell fly. Okay, so we're gonna start with the lighter weight because this is kind of hard compared to the other exercise. Let's start with 15 kg. This is one of my favorite chest exercise because I actually feel the contractions or the it feels like your chest is being tore apart. So I really like this exercise. So let's start with the lighter weight. and 10 to 12 repetition. Again, it will be on an incline position. Four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Last one. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, guys. So this will be our fourth exercise for our chest. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a mid mid chest dumbbell press. I don't know if that's correct, but that's how I used to call it, mid chest dumbbell press. So we're just gonna get some dumbbells again. All right. I'm into I'm into free weights or dumbbells because we don't have that many machine here. So I usually just do some dumbbells. If you do have some dumbbells right at your at home, you can, this will definitely uh, helps you. There's a lot of cheap dumbbells on the market. So if you are not used to going to the gym, two dumbbells or three dumbbells will do. All right. And most of my chest exercise are with dumbbells. And there's a lot of exercise that you can do using just dumbbells. So this will be our fourth exercise, probably our last one. I usually do this as the last exercise. All right, so let's do this. Yeah, 10 to 12 repetition. Okay, this exercise, of course, it's usually for your mid chest. Six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Okay, so guys, let's see if the chest exercise or chest workout did work out. Okay, we're gonna check if there are some pump or not, or we're just wasting our time. So I'm not allowed to remove my. So I think it's pretty decent. Let's just remove it. Okay, I can see. Okay, it's pretty decent as for a beginner. All right, let's go. So there you go, guys. That's our exercise or chest exercise on this lazy Tuesday. Alright, so again, if you do like this video, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Now, if you are planning to hit the gym, I think you should just do it like what I said. Do not mind other people. Alright, again, it's all for you. Okay. So again, thank you for watching. God bless. Peace.